Today we are going to be tightening and firming the skin. We're going to be boosting collagen and elastin in the skin. I am going to share a skin firming mask that you can whip up in the comfort of your home. I'm using basic ingredients that you already probably have in your kitchen. We are going to get rid of laugh lines. We are going to get rid of sagging jawline. We're just going to lift and plump the skin. I'm going to do a live demonstration at the end of the video, guys, which you really need to see how I transform my skin using this remedy. Now, if you're new here, a warm welcome to you on this channel. We take care of you. We transform dull, rough looking skin to more radiant, glowing skin by using simple remedies. And we share tips, we share ingredients, we share lifestyle. We just do a bunch of stuff here that are considered feel good, make you feel better about yourself and give you more confidence. Today it's all about egg. We're going to be using some egg white in this recipe, and guys, I'm telling you, you got to see this. So don't click off, guys. Watch the video to the end, and I want you all to leave your comment in the comment section below and let us know if you're going to try this, or also if there's any other ingredient that you would like to use in this recipe. Just make it your own. And before I jump in the kitchen, we have our own skincare line, so we are going to list some of the product we're using in this remedy, and also some products from Khichi Beauty skincare, mostly our firming mask. We have a variety of masks that you can use to tighten and firm the skin. There's an unbox somewhere on the screen. Just click on it or look in the description. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up, because I'm just excited for you to see how we make this facial mask that you can use to transform your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so go ahead and do a patch test before you use this on your face, especially if you have very sensitive skin. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this. Now our first ingredient is petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly will help to lock the moisture in the skin. Once the moisture is locked in the skin, what is going to happen is that your skin is going to look totally hydrated. So definitely apply petroleum jelly on your skin if you want your skin to look fresher with a natural glow. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the petroleum jelly. And now we're going to put this aside, and we're going to introduce the next ingredient. Next, I'm reaching for some honey, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of the honey. We're pouring this over our petroleum jelly. Our next ingredient is milk, and milk contains lactic acid, which will help to brighten the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. What you want to do with the milk, you want to warm the milk. So today we're using hot milk in this recipe. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon of our hot milk, and now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the hot milk. We're pouring this in, and we're going to blend, and we're going to blend well. So keep mixing. And now we're going to put this aside, and we're going to reach for our egg. An egg contains vital, essential skin tightening properties that will help to lift and tighten the skin. And now we're just going to break our egg. We're separating egg yolk from egg white. Easy to separate. We're only using the white in this recipe. And here we have our egg white. And now we're going to reach for our blender, and we're going to pour our egg white in the blender. We're going to reach for our mixture, milk, honey, and Vaseline, pouring it in the blender with the egg white. And take a look. Here it is. Here we have our egg and petroleum jelly facial mask. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to apply this to your skin for best results. Before you apply it on your skin, you want to make sure to start with clean skin, and I'm going to apply it in upward strokes. You want your face to be lifted, so you're going to just apply it like I'm showing here. As a matter of fact, I might just apply this to half side of my face today, just for you to see the difference. So upward strokes, all the way up. Do a double layer here. This is going to dry on the skin. Totally cover your skin with it. Pack it into your laugh lines, upper lip wrinkles, sagging jawline. Now while I'm applying this mask on my skin, guys, take a look at my laugh lines. Here is the one I'm not applying anything to, and this is the one. Notice I keep just packing it on the laugh lines. Those are where I tend to have mostly wrinkles, and I'm packing it on all the way up, upward strokes. So just keep doing that. And now I'm going to let it dry on my skin, and I'm going to come back and show you the before and after. Once this is done, you're going to leave it on your face to dry. Right about 30 minutes will do the trick. You can choose to do other things while you are using this mask. And guys, I'm already seeing amazing result on my face. So I'm going to let it sit on my face for another 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna come back and give you an update. Now here it is, guys, after wearing it on my skin for about 30 minutes. Right now this side of my face is feeling very tight. It also looks much plumper, more lifted than this side, and that is very obvious. And this is just after 30 minutes. So what I want you to do is to use this mask at least 2 to 3 times a week, and you're gonna blown away of how lifted, how firmer, and not only that, how much your skin just have this amazing natural looking glow to it. Okay, so store the leftover of this in your refrigerator. Use it up within 3 days, however, and make a new batch because it do contain eggs. And if you keep using this and do a facial massage, guys, you're on your way to not only looking younger but feeling good about yourself and feeling motivated. So you're not only gonna have a cleaner, fresher looking skin, but you're also gonna feel good about yourself. Okay, so give this remedy a try and use it for a week or two and come back and leave your comment. Now before you go, just take one more look at the transformation. Amazing.